Do a bike check. Well, first of all, we got the stock fresh Haro seat next to the stock fresh Haro frame. Haro, what are they? 5-inch bars. He has really wide set shoulders, so these are really good for it. Aluminum rims, plastic spokes, nice tires, really sticky grips. Some all metal Wilgos, just the best in the biking industry. Oh, and a Hoffman bike back tire.
What kind of sprocket is that?
How many teeth are on this?
Like 36.
48 probably.
A few too many.
It's a 48 by 9.
That shit's clean, bro. Look at this piece of shit. Piece of shit. Yeah, this tank boy. Then I'm going into Hannah.
Go to that bike.
Close up.
He like waddles.
Me?
Waddle.
Yeah.
The duck song.
Riding your bike, eh?
Piece of